Welcome back. Today we are discussing Land Auric, defining the future of real estate and blockchain. Its token ticker is LORC token. LORC is ERC20 based token. And now we'll know about the Land Auric bridge and its detail. Land Auric platform can be seen as a digital bridge that connects the crypto ecosystem with mainstream financing opportunities where digital asset owners as well as crypto investors alike can now participate in the realm of real estate lending to enjoy a relatively more stable and consistent returns. Landoric is focusing on geographic that have high lending rates and estimate the real estate capital requirement to be in the tune of USA 500 million per annum in these markets. Exception that just a small portion of the above, for example 0.5% will see up the USD 2.5 billion pass through the Landoric platform for DeFi leveraging and for global market exposure. And in this table they show top regions: South Africa, Africa, East Europe, Asia, and top countries: Argentina, Brazil, Republic Venezuela, Angola, Congo, Uganda, Uzbekistan, Azerbaijan, Ukraine, Myanmar, Iran, and Mongolia. Base lending rate, as you can read it here, and this is the general market overview and opportunity detail. Market overview and opportunity: real estate is one of the most important and highly transacted sector in the global economy. Historically, real estate investment has been the foundation for many great fortunes as well as the spark that led to many financial crises bubbles. Real estate as an asset class is currently larger than global equity, as seen in the Slaves Report 2020 that estimated the global real estate industry be 2069 6.7 billion and larger than other asset classes like the lending marketplace. The marketplace lists all participating real estate asset and property development projects that are seeking funding. These include detail of the project including developer, creators, financing requirement, information to the associated collateral, return rate, and the tenure of the project. Digital asset owner can stake their LORC on the lending marketplace by choosing platform wide and by specific project. The staking process has been detailed in section 2C above. And this is the detail of tokenization model. The tokenization process will require participating real estate development landlord to go through the KYC process and provide all relevant documents to authenticate ownership. The information will be then analyzed by multiple independent specialists like value and lawyer who would then use LGVO for voting process. The tokenization model of Landoric has a tremendous capability to future growth where Landoric aspiredly enable transaction of real estate asset scale and purchases including transfer of digital ownership via Landoric platform by establishing synchronization access with land register database in respective countries. This is all about this project. I hope you will like this video. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.